How to add Collaborator in Facebook Reels. Here's how. Initially launch the Facebook app on your phone. On the top of your feed, you'll find the Reels section. Tap it to get started. Once you're in Reels, look for the Create Reel button to start a new video. You need to be in the Reels section to create and upload a content. Choose the video you want to upload from your phone gallery or record directly by clicking on the camera icon. After selecting or recording the video, tap Next. In the editing screen, tap on the See More Settings to reveal more option. Scroll down to the Invite Collaborator option and select it. At the top of your screen, you will see a search bar. Search for your collaborator name. Select the correct profile from the search result to add them to the reel. Once you have tagged your collaborator, tap Done. After everything looks good, tap Post to share your reel with your collaborator. And that's it. You have now successfully learned how to add a collaborator on Facebook Reels.